guys, so don't be shy. Hi guys! Nawala daw sa live, char. Hello! Hello po, kamusta po ang inyong gabi? Hello. Happy, ano ba today? Friday today, no? Tama ba? Hindi, Saturday. Saturday pala today. Eto, Miss Kala, miss you too. Hi, Mom. Hi, Nok. Be the man that I need, baby. Talk to me. Be the man. Kamusta? Kamusta mga gabi nyo? Ako yung minute mo nung last live mo. Deserve. Girl. Ano ganap mo ma? Ito, I'm just staying at my condo tonight. Papahinga muna ako from going out because I've been going out with my friends, inom-inom ganyan for the past 3 days, and medyo parang like, girl, kailangan mag-rest ng girl. Did you eat na, Mom? Yes, nag-hotpot ata she. Like, I had hotpot with my friends. Pumunta ako ng art fair kanina with yung dati kong tatay-tatayan sa last kong job. And then we just had hotpot after. Kasi girl, 4 floors yata ng art fair yung napunta. Basta, I think 4 floors. Nag-give up na kami dun sa last. Kasi parang, girl, ang sakit na ng paa namin. Overstimulated na kami. But it was fun. Hi, baby girl. Miss you too. May Drag Race pa po ba? They just finished doing auditions. Parang kakatapos lang ng deadline na auditions for season 4. If you were invited for Maalaala Mo Kaya, would you do it? Would you do it, ma? Thank you, Gina Gia Cole, for that wonderful question. Yes, I would love to be invited to Maalaala Mo Kaya. Hi, ma. Ang cute naman ng ano mo, Just Me. Ang cute naman ng icon mo, Hirono. Meron din ako yung before, yung float. Tapos, binenta ko siya. And the rest of your life. Aliw, it's true. Parang every few minutes kasi tinatanong yun sa live, tapos parang di naman nagbabago yung sagot ko. So, baguhin na lang natin yung tanong. Ganda mo naman, napakaganda. Thank you. May ganap ka mga tonight, wali. I'm just chilling for the night. Easy to fall. Why are you so pretty? Hormones. Collagen. Hello po from. Hello po from ano? Tapusin mo. Ayan, hello po from Pampanga. Hi, hello. May grade yung glasses mo, ma? Oo, grade 5. And then it's 225, both eyes. Ganda ng room light. It's just a small little projector lamp ng Aurora Borealis Kim Pamparuhu Zivirihiriti. Over. True. Diyos ko. Late night talks na naman with Ganda. True. Where from? Sa Orange app. I think. It's been a while na binili ko yan, so I don't exactly remember. Hello, Elzal. Hi, baby. Hi, Satiri. Miss seeing you in blonde hair. I don't know. I'm just enjoying this very healthy and natural dark hair. Ma'am, ba't wala ka yellow basket? Wala naman ako pinapromote today. I'm not really doing makeup right now. Ano bang gusto mong malaman? What do you want to know? What product recommendations do you want from me? Is that a horse sa back? So, yeah, ito yung sinasakin. Well, basta pinang man-child ko yun ng pyesa. Yun na lang. Random thought, I hope you become a guest sa GGV soon. May GGV ba? Ongoing ba ulit? Apaka-gorgeous mo, Mom. Thank you. Ano reaction mo sa drag break ni Marina? I knew about it. Like, ano ba? Wala, I knew about her. I knew about her transition. I knew about her drag break. Wala, we've been sharing our transition journeys together, me and Marina, every time like we get to see each other or minsan nag-DM kami sa isa't isa para nagkantuhan lang kami our experience as trans girls undergoing transition. Magkabaliktad kami ni Marina na parang she first pursued social transitioning before HRT. Ako naman, I started with HRT first before I went and socially transitioned. What do you mean wala ka makeup? You look ethereal without makeup. No, I mean like I'm not actively applying makeup right now. Kakauwi ko lang galing somewhere. This is just ito yung pinaka-light version ng daily makeup ko. Ayan. So it's just a little bit of peach concealer under the eyes, a little bit of cream blush, a little bit of powder foundation, a little eyeliner, brow gel. Onting-onti lang yan. As in, ito na yung lightest version of like a going out makeup. Ganyan. Concealer recommendations, please. Sige, wait. I will add my peach concealer sa yellow basket. There. Done. Add natin yan. Okay. Here it is. Ito yung medium warm peach. Ayan. In-add ko na siya sa yellow basket. It's medium warm peach. Kung mag-focus. Ayan. Medium warm peach from Get Ready With Me. Ang mahal what? You asked for a recommendation. Ay, ito yung ginagamit ko. So, are you planning to release music soon? I would love to, although I don't have plans yet. May piso sale ka. Anong piso sale? What does that mean? Mahal talaga pagdating sa makeup. That's true. Although there are more affordable makeup products. Makeup in general is, alam mo yun, marami ka kasi ginagamit so you do na-accumulate mo yung price. Piso sale walang piso sa makeup. Yeah, tama si Satiri, walang piso sa makeup. Piso sale, well, I'm not a live seller. So, hindi naman talaga ako live seller. Naglalagay lang ako ng like products that I use sa yellow basket para I can freely talk about it on the live. So, what brand do you recommend when it comes to foundation? The one that I'm using, wait lang, let me add that one then. The one that I'm using is the Daily Skin Tint ng Get Ready With Me. That's the daily foundation that I use. It's mahal talaga be kapag organize ang makeup. Huhu. True. That's kind of true. Naging live seller pa nga. Pero bilhan mo ako what if wag kang namamali mo sa live? Yun lang. I mean, girl, no one's forcing you to do makeup. So, love the glass shape. Thank you. Makeup tutorial man. Not tonight. I'm not doing a makeup on live tonight. Because I already have my makeup on for today. Let me just apply a bit of lip oil. You look so healthy, Mix. What's your routine? Routine for what? Like, what do you mean? Mom, someone bullied me today. I'm sorry to hear that, my love. I'm sorry to hear that you're going through that. Where mo pinapagawa nails mo? My nail tech sa Marikina, Claws with a K. KLAWS. KLAWS_MNL on the Rainbow app. TBH, mas healthy pa hair mo kaysa hair ko. What products do you use? I should talk about that, no? Sometime. Well, cream silk. Number 1, cream silk. Cream silk na kulay pink. Where did you get your earrings, mama? These are just a gift. Nahanap ko lang to sa mga like stash ko of like gifts from fans. So someone just gave this to me as a gift. Does Drag Race page that y'all use makeup they promote? Yeah, pagkapasok namin into the workroom, we're already given our first package of Anastasia. Thank you for Kiever sa Rose. Oh, Tsumi na. Chino uy like the live. Hi, Chino. Skin keratin po, please. So glowy. My skin keratin, you can check out the diary video that I just posted. I put I put some of the products that I use for my skincare there. Oh, may troll. Kala mo ba hindi ako takot mag-block dito? Bye, sorry. Super cross pretty? Anong super cross pretty? I can't wait your redemption. So happy for Marina OMG. Girl, yes. I'm glad she's finally able to like talk about it openly now. I'm so happy for her. Babae, thanks. Sana mag-international ka, ma. Oh, thank you. April, bukas sa competition namin, tips para hindi kabahan. Accept that, tanggapin mo yung kaba and use that energy into something productive. Kasi normal naman kabahan. Ako hanggang ngayon naman kinakabahan pa din naman ako whenever I have to perform. When are you gonna do shows again? I have a show this Wednesday sa Hosek if you guys wanna come. Do you know about it even before pa? What do you mean? What do you mean, my love? Saw you sa Slay Nulog, haven't took a pic with you, sayang. I miss your opulent and seamless drag on screen. Deserve mag all-stars. Oh, thank you. Huwag tayo masyado mag-spam ng comments, my loves. Like Marina told you. Oh, yeah. Me and Marina have been talking about our transitions from before either of us came out. Ay, feel ko matutulog na ako at the same time. Hindi. Go. Mag-rest na kayo if inaantok na. I love you, girls. Thank you. I love you too. Isang good night, ma. Matutulog na ako. Good night. I love you both. Oh, I love you. I hope you guys are having a good night. Ma, when bonding niyo uli ni UD, miss ko na kayo. UD is very busy with her upcoming merch release. So, abangan niyo yung merch release na UD. Yung super busy siya about it right now. Kaya hindi ko pa makaladkad si bakla going out. Mas lalo kang gumanda nang nag-transition ka, ma. Thank you. How long does it take for you to do your drag makeup? It can go as fast as like, nagawa ka na before like an hour. But I like to take my time getting ready. So, parang I always request when I'm at gigs, I always request na parang 3 hours. Like, about 3 hours na mag-ready. That's ano na yan, head to toe na yon. Like, face, body, hair, costume, everything. Drag Race Philippines Season 4 auditions closed yesterday. Exciting so much. Girls, same. So excited to see which of the girls make it in. Okay na ba tong TikTok name ko as a drag name? Gold Deluxe. Sala, House of Deluxe. Hi, Ate Mix. What's your reaction to come out of Ate Marina? I'm happy for her. I mean, alam ko naman na before, like, me and Marina have confided with each other about our transitions long ago. But I'm happy that, you know, it finally felt right for her. It was finally the right time for her to come out. Do you think Angel will be part of Drag Race Philippines Season 4? No, my loves. You don't usually return to another regular season once you've already finished your regular season. So, most of the time, ang mga bumabalik sa ano na yan, all-stars na yan, or sa international, whatever. Every night ka ba nag-live? Not naman every night. Kung kailan lang ako makahanap ng free time during the day, but medyo sinisipag-sipagan ko mag-live here. So wala lang, just wanna share a bit mo. Parang gusto ko lang dumaldal, ganyan. Gusto ko chumika. Mami, ad mo ka pala ng college? Yeah, I was. Double major po ako nung college. So Drag Race po, ilang hours po ang given time po para mag-makeup. Swerte na po kami pag mabigyan kami ng 2 hours, honestly. Kaya po siya Drag Race kasi madalian talaga siya. Ilan po grado ng class mo, Chet? 225 both of them. Ano program mo sa Ateneo? I was BFA Information Design and BFA Theater Arts major in acting. Mama, you're so pretty. I love you. Thank you. I love you too. Ma-joker person ka ba or serious person? I'm kind of both. Medyo bardagol kasi yung sense of humor ko, but at the same time, when you do talk to me, like, I do really like diving into topics. I like, alam mo yun, I like giving my opinions when I'm asked. So, both. Gorgeous mom, thank you. Thank you, Kiel, for the gifts. Kailan ka nag-start ng transition? December 2024. So, more than 1 year na. A little more than 1 year. We miss you, some mixologist. Oh, I miss you guys so much. Olivia Dean. Yes, Olivia Dean. True hair ba yan? Nakawig ka? It's ano po, my hair with extension. So, ito yung length na actual hair ko right now here. And you see the short one? Yan yung totoo kong buhok. The rest of this is all extensions. I aspire to be as articulate as you. I love you so much. Practice lang. Daldal lang ng daldal, girl. Daldal lang daldal. Kami sa Mix Mondays. Girl, almost every day ako naka-live dito sa TikTok, honestly. Abang-abang na lang. Or maybe like, turn on your notifications. Ate, can you make chika sa best moments sa Dollhouse during Admo days? Ano lang, yung mga times na nakatambay kami sa Doghouse. Or whenever we have yung elections, whenever we have yung RIB, yung dance, parang dance performance namin. Ano masabi mo sa transformation ni Marina? I knew all about it. Like, I knew all about it before she came out with it. Me and Marina have been sharing stories of our transitions with each other. Bet mo ba magka-bosom me? A breast augmentation definitely is something I want to do, but it's something more down the line. Marina's breasts, ganda, ate, ganda. Sakto lang yung paggawa sa kanya, yung size, like perfect. Sira po ba body clock ng mga drag queen? Well, most drag queens kasi work during the night. Gabi kami nagtatrabaho, so akala ko push-up bra lang, OMG. Girl, kahit anong push-up mo, parang hindi naman yun from like being born male na very flat, hindi naman magkakaroon ng ganun pag pinush up lang. So what's the turning point why you decided to transition? Well, if you take the time to watch my YouTube video about it, I really deep dive into the process that I went through. But basically, one day I just asked myself, what do I want to be pagkatanda ko? And the answer was, I want to be an old woman. So, I mean, gusto ko, like, I realized I wanted to, like, age and become old as a woman. So, ayun. You're one of my inspirations why I think I really need to be a designer. I really love that, like, the conceptualization process of drag. Yun yung favorite part of doing drag is like trying to come up with costumes and performances, concepts, ganyan. G ka ba if ma-invite sa scene of the crime operatives? Oo naman, bakit hindi? Char. What was your favorite runway look ko ng season 3? Kumot Couture. Kumot Couture, yung Dragonfly, and yung finale. Yun yung top 3 looks. Top 3 of the looks that I brought for Drag Race. Since you're live, I'm gonna study na while watching. Tama behavior. Do I really need to do my makeup for face category, my love? Well, when you walk face in ballroom, it's expected that you present your face as best in parang as complimentary as it can. Not unless you're joining drag face. Pag drag face, ayun, parang talaga mag-drag ka, mag-heavy glam ka. But when you're walking face, it's usually encouraged, do kahit light makeup, just do like a clean face, just like even out your skin tone, correct the blemishes, para talagang plakado yung face. But not too heavy also, na hindi mo naman tinatago yung mukha mo. Like, gets mo ba? Mommy, are you happy about Marina's announcement about her transition? Of course I am. Like, girl, anytime a new doll is born or a new doll comes out, it's sobrang nakaka-happy siya. Alam mo, nung mga times na like, for example, like si Adore or si Valentina and si Gigi God, they came out with their transition. Medyo parang may bugsong may luksong dugo na ako ng mga time na yon na hindi ko na-realize what it meant until I eventually went through my own transition. Isang tanong, ang bilis na nung Ganda na ba yung teeth, Mami? Thank you. Susana Dental. Seryoso kasi Mix, I want to see you in International All-Star. Well, yes. Girl, I think any drag queen naman that you ask that question, the answer is yes. Also, I get asked that question every 5 minutes sa live. So, medyo nakakapagod din sagutin siya every 5 minutes sa live. Yun lang naman. Yes, I started to design mga normal sketch and bigla na lang nagkaroon ng hint of drag and I love it. Perfect. Love that for you. Mga corrector reco para sa shave na balbas. It's in the yellow basket, my love. I use this medium warm peach. Onting-onti lang yung pagka-peach undertone niya. So I can just blend it on skin. Hindi siya yung parang ibang peach corrector na kailangan mo pang patungan kasi sobrang strong ng peach color. Gusto ko talaga makita ng mga shows but minor pa ako. Abangan niyo yung mga shows that are siguro para mall shows, ganyan. Yan yung mga shows na pwedeng puntahan as minors. TBH, I thought masungit ka pero super soft-spoken mo pala. Well, kaya ko naman din kasi magsungit. Alam mo yon, parang I don't tolerate people when they speak out of pocket, when they're parang, alam mo, pag inappropriate na yung mga sinasabi nila, I don't tend to tolerate people. I tend to call people out pag ganun. But most of the time naman, like, I reciprocate the energy that is given to me. So if you approach me nicely, I'll speak with you nicely. Isang tanong, isang sagot. What is your favorite episode of Drag Race Philippines Season 3? Episode 6, The Rusical. Favorite episode. That is my favorite episode. That is, if isang episode lang yung papanoorin ng mga tao about me, episode 6. What brand yung contacts na ginagamit mo? Yung first contacts ko tumigas, I need to buy a new one. I'll add it also to the yellow basket kasi nakaset up siya sa aking yellow basket. This one by Mill Creek. Ayan, Mill Creek contact lenses. This one. See, I still have the box kasi pag bumibili ng contact lens, I always buy 2 para pag in case masira or yung may mga times na nasa labas ako tapos kating-kating yung mata ko and wala akong contact lens case. Minsan, wala akong choice, tinatapon ko na lang, ganon. But yeah, this one, Mill Creek, and this one, ito yung Mist 4-Tone Coffee. Very natural lang siya, very brownie. Wait. Ang bilis ng comments. Ma, don't wanna be rude, just curious. Pero but big deal pag mag-transition kahit part na ng LGBT dati? Well, because, my love, magkaiba ang sexuality sa gender identity. That's why we have SOGIESC. SOGIESC, sexual orientation, gender identity, expression, sexual characteristics. Yun yung mga iba't ibang bagay. So, ang pagiging bakla ay part ng sexual orientation. Ang pagiging trans ay part ng gender identity. Those are 2 different things. Okay lang ba wala na ako nabasa. For 1 year na yung contacts, right, mama? Yes, as long as you're hygienic about it. Pag tatanggalin mo, hugasan mo siya with the solution. You keep it in fresh na contact solution sa lalagyan. Mix, who's on top of your wishlist sa season 4? Siguro KKK. Katana Kiari Kendra. Malaya Edsa Extra. Masa medium peach, pwede ba sa dark circles and blemishes? Yes, that's where I use it. So for today, ayan, lalapit ako sa inyo. So for my makeup today, basag lang yung sa nose kasi I wear my glasses. But for my makeup today, nilagay ko lang talaga yung peach corrector here. Sa under eye and then over the lips. Binlend ko lang, tapos pinatungan ko lang siya ng onting foundation, ng powder foundation. Sino siya? Okay na ba kayo nila Maxi? Oo, 2 taon na yun, Diyos ko. Are the conflicts on Drag Race real or are they just produced for the show? Siguro the most I can say is na-enhance siya ng pressure and stress of the situation kasi we film every day. Even though sinasabi namin sa mga episodes na it's last week, next week, this week, we film it every day. So for example, episode 1, Monday, Tuesday. Episode 2, Wednesday, Thursday. Ganun siya finifilm. So, mabilisan siya. And sobrang stressful yung environment. So, alam mo yun, when you're in a stressful situation, you tend to become a little bit more emotional than usual. So, hindi naman siya like completely random. But also, alam mo yun, like gets ba? Parang, it's because it's aggravated by the environment. Mix and Marina the dolls. Correct. Love the dolls. Love the dolls. What do you mean is my transition the same as Marina's? What do you mean? I love your nails. I love them too. I love the design, but I don't love na hindi na sila kompleto. I need to get my nails done. Also, look at the grow out of the nails, my love. Ang haba na niya masyado. Where nyo nabili frames ng glasses nyo? Executive Optical. As a clown, no hate or something, are you one of the dolls? Proudly, I am proudly identifying as trans now. What's your haircut called? It's called extensions. What do you think about Minty Fresh performance runaways on Drag Race UK vs. the World? She did not deserve to be in the bottom for this episode. She did not deserve to be in the bottom for this episode. Like, I'm so sorry. You cannot convince me that Minty deserved to be in the bottom. When will you get your nails done? Hopefully in the next few days. I'm trying to schedule with my nail tech pero hindi ko lang din matsyempohan na uuwi akong Marikina. Okay lang mag-tip ng 50 sa Queens. First time watching a drag show po. Yeah, as long as you're respectful about it naman. I am sure naman Queens will accept whatever amount you give them as long as you do it with respectful intent. Are you gonna be in any shows this Valentine's not on Valentine's Day mismo, but I will be performing sa Hosek this Wednesday. Close pa rin kayo ni J Queen. Yeah, girl, magkasama lang kami ng kagabi sa Hosek. Although magkaiba kaming friend group na sinasamahan. Pero nagchikahan kami niyan. Nagbaklaan pa rin kami niyan. Where'd you get your glasses from? Executive Optical. Pwede po ba maging drag queen ng girl? Yes. Tips for baby queens? Stop. Sorry. Lord, sino na naman itong magandang na to? Ako lang to be. Saan ka sa Marikina? Malapit po ako sa may SSS Village, Marikina Heights, that area. My Big Element podcast episodes po for Drag Race UK vs. the World. Not currently, no. We're not currently doing podcasting for vs. the World just because busy schedules. Sa tingin mo mga magkano nagastos mo for Drag Race? I have an Excel sheet of how much exactly I spent on Drag Race. Ang binawas ko lang doon yung mga gastos ng mga paglalamove ng mga bagay-bagay. So I know how much I spent and it was a lot. Where do you buy your wigs? Iba-ibang places. I don't just stick to one shop to buy my wigs. Nabawi na po ba ang gastos? Somewhat, yes. More so in investments here sa parang, syempre, I'm actively paying for rent. Nag-invest ako sa furniture here in my own place. Yeah. Pwede ba maging drag queen ang girl? Oo, te. Kanina ka pa nasa live. Narinig mo na yung sagot. Tinatanong mo pa ulit. Sa sobrang fave ko kayo ni Maxi. Sabi ko, if magkakaroon may drag name Mixi. Ay! Go! What's your thoughts on Odasha being an attorney because some fans didn't believe it? Girl, honestly, I don't know if I believe it. I don't know. I'm not sure if it's real. Ang ganda mo. Thank you. 4 queens you're looking forward sa Drag Race Philippines. Ako talaga, Katana, Kiari, and Kendra from Rampa. And then of course, si Malaya and Edsa Extra. Siguro yun yung top 5 na gusto ko makita on Drag Race Season 4 right now. A little more than half, yeah. Ano po perfume mo? Vanilla scents. I always look for vanilla scents. Do you believe po ba nahihiya yung gamit ni Audacion? I believe she went to the oath-taking. I'm not sure if she actually took an oath. Do you plan to dye your hair? If yes, what color? No, I don't have plans to dye my hair. I'm really loving my hair in its most natural state right now. Most natural color. Thoughts on adulting? Masaya siya, pero stressful, magastos, ganun. Hoy, my loves. A lot of these questions are questions I answered earlier, so sorry if I don't, if I choose not to answer them right now anymore, kasi honestly, paulit-ulit siya. I love you so much. Thank you, Nix. Pwede mo ba kantahin verse mo yun? Dapat pakak. Vroom. Arrive. Dating lakas ng hatak. Face so gorgeous. You don't know how to act. Talk shit. You're gonna get smacked. Baby, I'm just kidding. I don't act like that. Why dye your hair when you can buy lots of wigs? Well, iba pa rin naman yung you're wearing your natural hair out. Iba pa rin yung you can wear your natural hair out comfortably, na colored, compared sa pag-wigs. Kasi pag-wig, especially if you have long hair, you have to make sure that it is braided and wrapped tightly under your wig cap, tapos papatungan mo pa. So, alam mo yon, wigs are not the most comfortable thing to wear. Like, mukha lang siyang cute-cute lang, but it's not really comfortable. Wigs aren't super comfortable. Pwede ba matanggal ang Adam's apple pag nag-HRT? No, I don't think so. Maybe baka mag-reduce lang siya ng size ng onte, but not completely. If you want your Adam's apple na mawala, it has to be surgically removed, but that surgery is very, very high risk. Most likely to join sa Gowin Bulilit, Starstruck Kids, or Star Circle Quest. Siguro po for me, sa kapuso mo, Jessica Soho. Char. What's the first thing that comes on your mind when you hear the song Word Adrenaline? Lollapalooza, I guess? Divas, let's not talk about sexual reassignment surgeries. That's an inappropriate question to ask. Like, isipin mo na lang one day, may stranger na lumapit sa'yo, tapos sabihin niya, magpapapuki ka ba? Like, how would you feel? So, put yourself in my shoes na, technically, some of y'all are strangers to me, and you're asking me that question. Do you think it's a good question to ask? Yun lang naman. Food for thought. Mga bagay na pag nilay-nilayan, pag-isipan. Naging insecurities ba ang Adam's apple mo? Not at all. No, not really. If y'all bothered, click away. Na-search mo na si Charlie Fleming? Oo, na-site ko na siya. Nakita ko na ilang videos niya. In fairness, gandid si Madam. So, kung magkamukha kami, give ko. If y'all think magkamukha kami, give ko. Oh wow, the comments tonight are intense. Happy 18K sa Twitter. Oh, thank you. Oh, I have not been active on Twitter lately. May gamot pa ba ang HIV? There is antiretroviral drugs are on HIV where it maintains a low viral load count, which means you can be undetectable, which means hindi na malakas yung presence ng virus sa katawan mo, which means you're manageable, your health is good, and hindi mo na siya matatransmit to other people. Nasa clinical trials pa lang sila ng actual cure, like yung actual actual medicine or methods of removing the virus completely from the human body. What's your thoughts about Marina's announcement? I already knew beforehand. Marina already told me about it beforehand, and I'm just happy that she's finally out about it. Ma'am, naka third place ako sa declamation. Congratulations. Ang daming paulit-ulit yung comments, naiinis na din ako. Diba nga? Alam mo, parang gusto ko na lang punuin yung di ba yung mga nakikita kasi akong mga nag-live, tapos may mga nakalagay na May mga nakalagay na word sa screen nila. Parang gusto ko nilang punuin ng, may plano ka ba sumali ng All-Stars? Yes. Parang, anong thoughts mo kay Marina? Congrats. Like, Juliet yun siya. But alam mo yun, people. Mama, bilis ka ba natanggap ng parents mo? By the time that I came out to my mama's trans, sobrang chill na niya about it. Kasi ang dami ko na naging coming out to her beforehand. So I guess parang it was just the easiest thing for her to accept na. So when I came out to her as trans, sabi ko sa kanya, Ma, what do you think na parang I'm now at a place in my life na I want to present and live my life as a girl. Tapos sabi niya, dati pa naman ah. So ganun yung reaction ng mom ko to my transition. Paalam na ako magsabay tulog na. Good night sa theory. Kala ko si Bianca Umali nag-live. Yan yung lagi kong madalas makuha. Bianca Umali and Charlie Fleming. Required po ba na fluent sa English kapag sasali sa Drag Race? No naman, but they do encourage you to speak in English. Ma, are you planning to remove your Adam's apple? Be, are you planning to remove yourself? Because I'm planning to remove you. Girl, like, what's so wrong about having an Adam's apple? Like, why is everyone so bothered? La, I'm genuine question lang po. Just because your question is genuine doesn't mean it's appropriate. I also want to let you think about that. Sometimes, when you ask people questions, think about what you would feel if a random stranger went up to you to ask that question. If you would get offended, it's best that you don't ask that question to a stranger as well. Yun lang. Lalo kang gumaganda. Thank you. I love how smart you are. I try to stay, I try to like always, parang ano ba, challenge. But I like to watch podcasts and interviews kasi yun yung mga stuff na pinapanood ko madalas. So talagang malawak ang topic of gender identity if we'll talk about it more deeper. Of course it is. Gender is a spectrum. There's not one or two or three correct ways to identify your gender. Any chance of coming to DragCon if ever? Maybe not Brazil. I'm not really sure about going to DragCon Brazil, but I would love if bumalik ang DragCon LA. I saw you sa Pintadon and your artist is Miss Angel, so kind po. Yes, I love Miss Angel. Miss Angel did all of my tattoos. I have 8 tattoos now. I have a few more that I'm planning to get. And for sure, si Miss Angel yung pupuntahan ko agad-agad. DragCon Manila, please. Girl, I wish. What's your go-to lip-sync song like you love performing? Top of my head right now, Satisfied from Hamilton, siguro. Kasi yun, that's a lip-sync na parang I don't really have to prepare a lot. Walang kailangan na props, walang kailangan na anything. That's just like pure performance. Do you think Charlie and Key look alike? Hindi ko alam. Ma, have you been to Bacolod? Alam mo, ilang beses na akong tinatry invite ng Bacolod sa shows. Pero nagkakataon lagi na nakakapag-confirm na ako sa ibang gig on the same date na that they invite me. Mother, will you go back on Eat Bulaga if they will offer it to you? Yes. Ano pong big 3 placements mo sa zodiac sign? I am I'm quadruple Pisces. So my sun, moon, Mercury, and Venus are all in Pisces. But my rising is Virgo. Going Bolilit or Starstruck Kids? Ano po for me? Star Circle Quest. Would you audition for a role in a theater play? I want to. Actually, I've been thinking about that a lot. I really do want to. Can you do Cold-Hearted Snake Rap verse? No, sorry, hindi ko siya kabisado. I have not performed it ever. What do I take from HRT? I take estradiol, progesterone, and aldactone. Have you met Godland na ba? Hindi girl, AI po yung video namin. Char. Die Beautiful the musical, try mo lang. The thing with musicals is I'm not much of a singer. As in, actor talaga ako. Ang inaral ko sa college, ang major ko is acting. And then I kind of just had to learn how to sing when I was able to join musicals under Blue Rep. Pero hindi talaga ako like singer-singer. The code name. Girl, kasi that question gets asked me like every minute here sa TikTok live. So medyo parang tapos yung iba magbumao. Hindi mo pinapansin yung question ko, maybe pick a better question. Ask a better question. If you are a doll, what kind of doll are you? Hindi na sila uso now, but I really, really loved Ever After High dolls. Dati. Ang first doll na binili ko for myself was Apple White, the basic Apple White from Ever After High. I really, really like the art style and the fashion of Ever After High. Mom, did you go to endocrinologist first? Yes, I did. Nag-consult ako with both a psychologist and an endocrinologist for my HRT. Ever After High, not Monster High, ma'am. Yes, Ever After High. Ever tried fake freckles? It's not really for me. I like bright skin. Why do you choose the name Mix Chanel? Because I was a fan of Mix, the music channel, and also because Chanel is my chosen name. Chanel comes from my former boy name, Sean, and my last name starts with L, so Sean L. Chanel. Kahawig mo din yung Iya Villania. So, Charlie Fleming, Bianca Umali, Iya Villania, yan yung mga lagi nyong kinakompare sa Akinch. Tsaka si Esnir, Diyos ko po. Magpapa-BA ka pa, ma'am? I want to at some point, pero hindi ako nagmamadali. Maybe by the end of the year or early next year. But for right now, I'm really just enjoying the changes that my body is going through with my HRT. Any dream collabs? Eto ha, I want to manifest it out in the universe, but I want to collaborate with a makeup brand. Makeup is my first passion. Makeup was my first love in doing drag. I started doing drag in 2020, but I've been studying and learning how to do makeup since 2013. So, if there's any collaboration that I'm manifesting, it is to have a collection with a beauty brand. Mom, have you experienced someone calling you while you're live? Yes, I did. Dinecline ko lang siya agad. Tapos i-explain ko na lang, mag-message lang ako after na I was on live. Hi, sorry if unaware, but is that your real hair? Extensions, my love. Do you know ba na nag-start si Marina mag-transition last year sa Happy for? Yes, I knew. Pretty much, me and Marina pretty much knew of each other's process while undergoing HRT. Halos nagsabay kasi kami. So, yun nga. Nag-start ako with my hormones in December 2024. Marina started socially transitioning, meaning as in parang dun siya nagpakabit na extension, dun siya nag-start magdamit as female. But she didn't start her hormones until much later, and ako naman, I didn't start socially transitioning until around the same time. Mix please use a web trend. Actually, I want to do that. That's a content I want to shoot soon. Kasi yung mga ate ko, I have two older sisters that grew up in the 2000s. So nakita ko talaga yung mga times na sobrang nostalgic for me ng bebot makeup trend and ng kikay makeup trend kasi ganyan yung itsura ng mga ate ko dati. So gusto kong matry gawin yun for myself. Favorite magical girl anime, of course, none other than Cardcaptor Sakura. Kala ko only child ka lang. I've never mentioned being an only child anywhere. Lagi kong sinasabi na bunso ako. I love your ears, super, thank you. SCX Mix, I would love that. Ma, isa pa, where will you be this Thursday? No plans for Thursday. Wednesday, Hosik in Poblacion. How do I start or where do I learn more about gender identity? Google. There's also a lot of informative videos on the Red app, the Play Button app, or here sa TikTok. I'm sure may mga content creators here then that are talking about the different aspects of SoGSC. You're into theater, right? Are you familiar with Miss Saigon? Yes, I am familiar with Miss Saigon, but I have not, tawag dito, I have not actually seen it. Have you tried Euphoria transition trend? Meron bang Euphoria transition trend? If there have a chance that Pinoy Big Brother invites you to join, you will accept it or not? Bakit hindi? Char. Alam nyo, low-key, medyo nakakabasag na yung like, tanong about All-Stars. Like, girl, my answer is not gonna change every 2 minutes. So, the answer is always yes. Parang feeling ko dapat ilagay ko na lang yun dito. Pero, what's Bebot? What about Les Mis? I love Les Mis. I have performed yung I Dream the Dream na version ni Anne Hathaway before. You're so pretty. Thank you. Hi, Mixie Loves. Evil Eye, barang ka tay barang. I-caption mo ma. True. Lagay ko, wag na magtanong about All Stars. Ni magbabago yung sagot ko. Choice. Pwede ka pa ba ma-factory reset mo? Babe, anong factory reset? Sa tingin mo gumagastos ako sa libo-libo sa hormones para ma-factory reset? Wow. Parang ako pa nga yata mang pa-factory reset. Yung mga bading, hali kayo, straight kayo sa akin. Serious. Mix, I love you. Parang I love you back. Parang ang sarap yung profile picture mo, XOXX. Mix pa rin ba chosen name mo, ma'am? No, my chosen name is actually Chanel. But alam mo yan, I understand naman if everyone still calls me Mix because that is my drag name. But my lived name, as in day-to-day life, sa mga Grab, ganyan, sa mga like ride-hailing apps, sa mga shopping apps, pinalitan ko na yung pangalan ko to Chanel. Masarap talaga ako. Paano pag finalo ba kita? Ano gagawin na pag finalo ba kita? Nagka-pageant ka ba? No, hindi kasi ako fan ng pageants. Like, hindi ako lumaking fan ng pageants. Next, how do you stay slim? Lately, I've been very much into eating salads. As in, isa sa mga meals ko everyday is salad. Parang ginagawa ko, tawag dito, thought process na mawala. Bumibili ako ng gulay sa palengke once a week. Tapos sina-chop-chop ko na siya. Nilalagay ko siya sa ref ko in an airtight container. And ayun, I just eat it throughout the week. No more comments, just happy watching you talk. Alam mo, ikaw, parang cute ka, follow ba ka sa akin? Do you take HRT and ARV at the same time? Paano po? Yeah, I do, pretty much. Share some favorite Ateneo memories. Alam mo, one thing I'm super happy about sa Ateneo was I got to explore my gender identity. So, even though I'm only now transitioning, as in now, ngayon pa lang ako nag-medically transition, there was a time while I was going to school in Ateneo dressed very femininely. Ayun, that was back in 2016. Kaya nakakatawa yung parang naging throwback ng mga tao yung 2016 kasi yun yung times na I was growing out my hair in school, I was dressing a bit more femininely. But after that, I went through a long phase again of being comfortable in myself as a boy. My necklace is just this. It's the Pisces. It's a symbol for Pisces. Ayan. Maanyari na ba kay Mother Silo? I don't know, I'm not updated, my loves. You inspire me transition officially, ma. Alam mo, if it's for you, doll. Di ko na need mag-comment, ma. Distracted na ako sa beauty mo while you're talking. Sana ganun din yung mga nag-i-spam, Charis. Ma, do you suggest undergoing HRT on someone age 15 years old? For me, as long as you have guidance of a doctor. Yun lang for me. Does HRT straighten curly hair? Hindi po. Parang hindi naman related yon. Hello, pwede ka ba sa I miss you? I miss you too. Oh, so pretty ng pendant. Akala ko yung dragonfly pa rin ang suot. I wear it sometimes. Andiyan pa rin yung dragonfly. Andiyan pa rin yung maliit na parang sampagita flower na bigay nyo sa akin. Yeah, I rotate through a few small pendant necklaces because I really, really like small gold pendants lately. Are you a Pisces mother? Yes, I am. Nakakabawas ba ng Elsa ang pag-HRT? Actually, yes. Actually, oo. Rose for you. Thank you so much, my love. Thank you. I appreciate that. What do you advise to my friend who will be joining season 5? Mag-audition siya first. Do not claim to be joining season 5 just because you have plans on auditioning. The audition process is hard. Mahirap makapasok ng Drag Race, guys. Ano yung HRT? Hey, right there! Kinikilig kami ni Reyna every time you wear that dragonfly necklace. Lagi ko pa rin yung suot. Madalas, nasa rotation ko pa rin yun. Anong mas prefer mo? Gold or silver? Actually, netong after ko mag-transition, mas gusto ko na gold. Before, as a boy, I really, really liked silver. Mas silver ako na tao before. And I used to wear a lot more black, gray, blue as a boy. Ngayon, as a girl, I wear a lot more white. I wear a lot more pink and warm colors. I wear a lot more gold. Me too, I'm a Pisces. Shout out mga ka-Pisces. What's your undertone? Ano ako olive neutral. Parang neutral leaning olive, ganyan. I really loved your episode on evangelism. How has your mentorship shaped your drag journey today? Eva kasi is a really great career mentor. She's really good at giving life advices. Hindi niya ako masyadong sinasabihan how I should be doing drag. She encourages me to pursue drag however I want to, as long as I do it from a place of excellence, as in like high quality drag. But she's just really good at. She's just very inspirational for how she's taken drag and being a drag producer and being the matriarch of Drag Playhouse as a full-time career. And hopefully I become close to what I get close to what she's achieved in life when I'm her age. Madison Beer PSON Mama this Wednesday sa Hosik. Bibigyan ko kayo ng napakasarap na yes baby. Thoughts about Sagittarius po. My best friend is a Sagittarius. I love Sagittarius. Jojowa ba ako ng Sagittarius? Probably not. Any thoughts about October Scorpios? I love Scorpios, although recently, ang dami kong best friends before, like nung high school and college na Scorpios. Pero may mga ex din ako na Scorpio, so alam mo yon, hit or miss. Thoughts about Cancer? Love a Cancer. Miss Yudi is a Cancer. We love Cancers about here. Capricorns, matigas ulo nyo. Thoughts about my Taurus? Bakit ang hilig nyo sa red flag? Ma'am, di na ako nakapag-scroll, distracted na ako sa beauty mo. Serve. Charis. Ma, sino for you pinakagwapo sa mga drag queen? I don't know, probably na Iya. Give ko, like, sina Iya ang pinakapoging drag queen. Like, objectively, conventionally attractive. Kasi ang ganda pa nung build ng katawan niya, like, mama, naiya. Gusto ko lang naman makipagbading. Bakit ayaw niyo makipagbading sa akin? So iconic. Tari, bading. We get to the mix on shady brunch when Mama, same effect lang po ba estrogen gel and tablet? Yes and no. Yes, kasi they're both estrogen. No, in a sense na parang the effects are different from person to person. Kaya important for me. I understand the dolls that need to go through the black market to get their HRT. But I would encourage, if you can, for the girls to seek the guidance of an endocrinologist kasi sila talaga yung makakapag-check kung may effect ba ng tama yung mga hormones na tinatake mo. Make Chanel please cosplay Syndra. You know what? I would love to. Especially the classic Syndra skin. The classic Syndra skin. Cunt as fuck. I love TikTok. Nagmura na naman siya. I love TikTok, I love TikTok, I love TikTok, I love TikTok. Mix pa na mawala ang limerence. Diva, good question. Diva, good question. Kailangan ko rin ng help dyan, paminsan-minsan. Siguro pag sa limerence, tanggapin mo na lang kung hanggang saan lang kayo. Like, tanggapin na lang kung hanggang saan lang yung relationship nyo. Just wanna know your thoughts about March Pisces. March Pisces are better than February Pisces. I'm so sorry. Like, I'm call me biased, but March Pisces are more intuitive. March Pisces are more empathetic. March Pisces are more creative. Like, March Pisces on top. The comments tonight are crazy with a K. They're always crazy, my love. Depende lang talaga sa araw ko kung kaya ko silang i-tolerate or hindi. There are days na parang nauubos yung agad social battery ko, tigil natin agad yung life. Virgo, I love Virgo. So, I have 4 best friends right now. I mean, yung mga best friends ko from before, I still consider my best friends, even though, alam mo yun, parang we take some time apart, take some distance, but yung mga lagi kong kasama, yung lagi kong kausap right now, I have 4 best friends. I have a best friend that's a Virgo, a Sagittarius, dalawang Gemini. November Sag versus December Sag. I'd have to say December. Mixed thoughts about love bombing. Itigil nyo yan! Itigil! Alam nyo, if hindi nyo kayang panindigan ang isang tao, huwag nyo i-love bomb. Be clear about your intentions from the start. And be clear about where you're at in the relationship from the start. Hindi yung aabot pa ng isang taon na, Huy! Huy! Which drag queen is your bestie right now? Probably Versex. Parang si Versex yung pinakamadalas kong makita, pinakamadalas kong makasama sa labas, ganyan, na not work, ganun. ML Hero din mag-cosplay ka. I don't play ML. I really don't play ML. Divas, and I have no plans of playing ML. You are so pretty nung nakita tayo sa Cebu. Oh, thank you. October Scorpio versus November Scorpio. Ooh! October Scorpios are a lot more tame than November Scorpios. November Scorpios tend to be a little bit more wild. October Scorpios tend to be a little bit nicer, but November Scorpios are a lot more fun. Are you opening to coming back on Going Bulilit? Yes, sure. Matulog na ako. Good night sa'yo. December Capricorn versus January Capricorn. Siguro December Capricorn because Jesus is a December Capricorn. Nails from my nail tech. These are not press-ons. These are extensions. Full time. I commit to the nails. I don't take them off. What about August Leo? Goodbye. Sorry. Well, I do still have one person that's a close August Leo. But in general, August Leos, especially the men, especially born male August Leos. August Leo red flags, yes. Agree. Completely agree. April Aries. Baus Rufo. Baus Rufo is an April Aries. I love April Arieses. So let's go down the line of the signs and kung anong month yung prefer ko. So, Capricorns, prefer ko December Capricorns. Aquarius, January Aquarius. Mahirap to kasi both my parents are Aquarius. My mom is a January Aquarius. My dad is a February Aquarius. I love my mom, so I have to say February Aquariuses. Because growing up, mas magkatugma yung personality namin ng dad ko. But my relationship with my mom is super great right now. For Pisces, give ko sa March Pisces kasi March Pisces ako. For Aries, give ko sa April Aries. Ano yung after Aries? What's April and May? Taurus na ba agad? Is it Taurus? For Taurus, I have to say I prefer May Tauruses. Then after Taurus, May, June, Cancer, no? Tama ba? Hindi pa. Gemini, oo. May to June is Gemini. May Geminis. Like, one of my bestest friends in the whole world is a May Gemini. Pero siya kasi katapusan siya ng May. After that, Cancers, June, July. June Cancers. My eldest sister is a June Cancer. June, July, Cancer. July, August. Ano yung July, August? I'm learning a lot about astrology, zodiac right now. I'm just giving out my opinions. These aren't facts. These are not facts of which one is better. These are just my opinions. Leos. July Leos, sorry. Actually, wala akong kakilala na July Leo, but sobrang red flag na lang talaga sa akin ng mga August Leo na no, August Leo male. Especially August Leo men. I prefer June Cancers to July Cancers. So after Leo is August, September is Virgo. Ooh, both. I love August, and I love both August and September Virgos. I have not met a Virgo in my life na hindi ko nakasundo. Kasi siguro kasi Virgo rising din ako. So I usually get along really well with ano ba? After Virgo, August, September, October. What's September to October? What's September, October? Libra. Damn. Parang I don't know enough Libras to pick. September to October. October to November is Scorpio. So, Scorpios, I have to say... Hindi pala. I have to give it to November Scorpios pala. Mas marami akong kilala ng November Scorpio na... Sorry, I have to give it to November Scorpios pala. But I love both. I also like October Scorpios. Pero mas marami kasi yung kakilala and naging ka-close ko na November. Gets ba? So parang unfair judgment if sabihin kong I don't like October Scorpios because the few October Scorpios that I do like, I really do like. October Scorpios are chill. That's true. That's really true. So after Scorpio, November to December, Sagittarius, December. Best friend ko. Yung kasama ko sa Drag Race, yung makeover challenge ko, he's a December Sagittarius. Love him. My best friend. Match po ba ang gay, saggy, and straight Scorpio? Bakla hindi. Straight yung isa. Wala yan sa zodiac. Itigil natin ang pagdadalulo natin. Pag ang tao straight, sinabi niya straight siya. Divas and dolls, it is time that we stop. Gets you ba? October Scorpios romantic, November Scorpios passionate. Agree. I have to agree with you there. Mother, may kasengi po ako advice. My crush hasn't been replying to me and should I continue to court? If they're not replying to you, that means they don't like you enough. Diva. If they like you, you will know. If they like you, you will be sure. If you're unsure, they don't like you. Hala, may dumating sa live. Anong Mercury mo? Pisces. Sun, Moon, Mercury, Venus, and Pisces. Major Pisces talim ako. Hala, may nag-join ng live. Mother, any advice for the ones that are getting bullied? Alam ko mahirap yung situation. But I want to encourage you to stay strong. And wag mo na lang sila pansinin. As much as you can, wag mo na lang silang pansinin. Because if they're not effing you, feeding you, or financing you, they should not matter in your life. If they're not giving you emotional fulfillment, if they're not giving you some level of satisfaction in your life, they shouldn't matter. Their opinion shouldn't matter. What's something new you've learned about yourself since being on the RPH? Trans. Thank you, Tina, for the heart me. Saw you kanina sa art fair. Ganda always. Oh, thank you. My God, art fair was so fun. Super overstimulating, but so much fun. Ate, maganda yung name ko for drag. Anong name mo for drag? 92 average ko po this third quarter. Congratulations, my love. Honors ba yan? Consider as honors na ba yan sa inyo? If so, congratulations. And good job. And yung mga pinaghirapan mo are paying off. Congratulations to you. I'm so happy for you. Thoughts about Olivia Dean? Please love her music. I'm playing Olivia Dean in the background right now. I don't know if naririnig nyo because malayo yung speaker ko. Hi, Richmond. Thank you for the rose. Umasa ako magpo-perform kasi UPLB Feb Fair kasama si Arizona. No, unfortunately, I'm not included in the UPLB Feb Fair lineup. Thank you for the cake slice, XOXX. XO na lang tawag ko sa'yo. Actually, I don't know what to call you, so XO lang tawag ko sa'yo. Mom, what's your religion? I was born and raised Roman Catholic, but I currently identify as agnostic. Although I am quite a spiritual person, but I do not subscribe to the Catholic faith anymore. I don't practice, at least. Mom, do you sew po ba? If so, any tips for beginners? I consider myself a pretty much still a beginner sa sewing. Natuto lang ako sa YouTube. Search ka lang sa YouTube ng tutorials. Hi, Mix. I really hope to meet you in person. What are favorite type of gifts to receive? Any naman. Although, oh my God, if pwede lang ako mag-share, I've been wanting to get a Charmera. So, kung bet nyo lang naman ako bigyan ng Charmera. Charis. Marami nag-ibigay sa akin ng mga, like, cinnamon roll stuff. May mga nag-ibigay sa akin ng Pop Mart. Especially si Molly. Molly yung favorite ko sa Pop Mart. Sometimes, pag nag-ibigay sa akin ng sweets yung fans, that's the only time I have stocks ng sweets, ng chocolates, ganyan. Kasi hindi talaga ako mahilig sa chocolates very much. Pero every now and then, like, yung mga gifts, naubos ko naman yung mga binibigay sa akin na gifts na, like, sweets and stuff. Are you into Lolita fashion? Somewhat, yes. I like my drag to go... Parang, my drag is both very soft but also very sensual. So, very seductive. But also very, like, girly girl. Since nagawa mo na yung bebot trend, gawin mo rin yung sayo kika, tagpo kita. Alam mo, I need to redo the bebot trend. Kasi yung bebot trend na ginawa ko, parang ginawa ko lang yung audio. Pero random transition lang siya, random makeup lang siya, but I should do it na mas historically accurate. Same with yung Kikay. I wanna do historically accurate Kikay. Hello, Mix. I saw Arsenic last night here in Pampanga. Padala ako cookies sa'yo soon. Oh, I love Arsenic. That's my twin. That's my twin right there. Thank you, Iko. You should search for XG Hinata's Gala music video. Actually, yung XG Gala na song, I don't stream the song. Sorry, no, I don't stream it actively. But, para ba? I really love, I've seen the music video and I really love the fashions. Mom, ba't di na kayo nagka-podcast ni Baus? Baus is currently focused on Dog Show Divas and I'm currently focused on my personal life at the moment. Just honestly speaking. Yay, okay. Would it be fine to take photos with you if I see you? Your cutie drag literally my fave. It would be, yeah, I usually say yes naman to photos as long as you approach respectfully and alam mo yon, parang if ever I do decline for some reasons, like for example, when I'm watching shows at bars, I really don't like saying yes to photos when there are queens performing because I'm also watching the performance. I'm also trying to enjoy the show. So para out of respect for the performers, nagno-no ako to photos when I'm being asked during a queen's performance. What color ng tops yung mga prefer mo right now? Do you like butterfly tops? I do like butterfly tops. I like white. I like baby blue, baby pink, cream. I also like black. I still love black. I also love browns. I'm also been really into browns lately. Anyway, 12, oh my god, 12 o'clock na pala. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Medyo napatagal yung live natin. Medyo napasarap yung chika natin tonight. But yeah, like, that was great. That was a great time, my loves. I'll catch you guys soon, very, very soon. Lagi naman akong tumatambay dito sa TikTok when I have free time. So, bye! Mwah!